in Odyssey, which matches the calendar. I don't have any legal arguments at this time.
No objection to the
Your
statutory
Honor,
form.
if I may intervene.
Ms. Kengne, please remain silent, ma'am.
All right.
Mr.
Judge,
Cho,
I don't
no
have any-
objection to the statutory form?
He's not
No
my
objection to
attorney.
the statutory form. Yes, sir.
All right, fair enough.
Your Honor, he's not my attorney.
Ms. Kengne, you
Yes.
need to remain silent, ma'am.
All right, but he's not my attorney.
Okay, I think he's going to indicate that to you shortly.
Your
Ms.
Honor.
Kengne, it appears that you do not qualify for the public defender. You
That's
have
in,
assets or income that would preclude them from finding you qualified to be represented by the public defender. It is up to you, Ms. Kengne, to hire your own attorney, and I would encourage you to do that as soon as you possibly can. If you delay or stall hiring your own attorney, under Georgia law, it is possible that you could be deemed to have waived your right to an attorney under the case of Longo versus City of Dunwoody. I'll spare you the details on the case, but suffice it to say, Ms. Kengne, if you do not want Mr. Cho or Ms. Markowitz to represent you, then it is up to you to hire your own attorney sooner rather than later, okay, ma'am?
Judge, may I talk?
No, ma'am. You have the right to remain silent. I would encourage you to use it. We are recording these proceedings.
Yes.
And anything you say can be used against you, and the DA is right here paying attention with us, okay?
Yes, and I would still like to talk and clarify the information provided by Mr. Chill. I have not
Okay.
had a chance to talk to Mr. Chill this morning about the very case and about the facts of the case. Now, Mr. Chill informed me that I did not qualify. I am not sure what he based his assertion on, right? Now, I do not have...
Ms. Kengne?
Yes.
I appreciate your position, ma'am, and I'm glad you're thinking about these issues. But as far as their impact on today's proceedings, they're not going to have an. I am precluded from setting bond for you per court's delegation order. And so I'm going to deny bond.
Right.
Your case will be heard at a later date before a different judge, either with Mr. Cho or a different attorney. You will have a great deal to say about whether or not it's Mr. Cho or a different attorney. But as far as my jurisdiction and authority to consider bond today, in light of the top count of murder, I am precluded by our delegation order from setting bond for you. So you are going to be no bonded for today. I encourage you to hire another attorney or get Mr. Cho and Ms. Markowitz will be following back up with you. And that will be the order today. Ms. Kengne, you are free to go.
May I ask...
Ms. Kengne, you are free to go, ma'am.
Come on, Ms. Kengne. Come on.
Good luck, Mr. Cho.